Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today my husband decided to go through his hardware in his Workbench and get it organized and do some more decluttering, similar to what I did during my 1,000-item declutter. So I'm going to show you all of the boxes of screws and nails and other things like that that we were able to get rid of, and then I'll show you how we organized them using containers we bought at the Dollar Tree. We were able to get rid of a lot of boxes, and now everything's a lot more neat and organized and labeled. And I hope you get some inspiration from watching this. Here's a look at all of the boxes that we emptied out and are planning to recycle. I will show you an after of how we organize them. We have done a lot of home improvement projects and inherited some of these from other people, so we had quite a bit. And here's the after. We purchased these containers at the Dollar Tree, and then I labeled them with my label maker. We ended up getting the exact number we needed. I hope this gave you some incentive to clean out the hardware, screws and nails and things like that in your own garage or workshop. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I post videos at least every Tuesday and Thursday, and often more frequently than that, on how to creatively decorate and manage your home. Thanks again for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.